Welcome back to 3Y channel and welcome to episode 3. This is where we get serious. This is our first full professional deep dive of the Expo series. The Expo is Metal China 2026, China International Foundry Expo. We're not doing a casual walkthrough today. We're tearing down Hall 4 and 3. They are the core high-end industrial foundry equipment zone. This episode is built for global buyers and factory decision-makers. Target audiences include engineers and sourcing managers. Stay tuned for more industrial manufacturing insights. Let's start with the basics for better understanding. Hall 4 and 3 are not secondary support areas. They are the flagship equipment core of Metal China 2026. It ranks among Asia's most influential foundry expos. This zone gathers most of the leading machinery manufacturers. It has massive exhibition space and high booth density. There are zero non-industrial or consumer-grade fillers here. Every exhibitor here is a legitimate machinery manufacturer. They focus on casting and green foundry production solutions. This is neither a trading market nor a reseller hub. All displayed equipment is factory-ready and mass-producible. Export-capable machines sell directly to global buyers. Follow our channel for trustworthy factory sourcing content. We will go through every major equipment category. We include industrial context, hard data, and global comparisons. We also clarify suitable and unsuitable buyer groups. Environmental compliance is no longer a secondary concern. It has become a global market entry requirement. Major booths display complete dust collection systems. It includes gas treatment and noise reduction devices. Waste slag recycling and zero discharge designs are available. Countries worldwide are tightening local emissions rules. Buyers purchase equipment for legal compliance purposes. This hall reflects the strict global regulatory reality. All major regions meet similar global emission standards. Chinese systems ensure compliance at lower costs. It suits factories exporting to strict environmental regions. It is not for unregulated local small-scale foundries. Casting manufacturing does not end after parts cool down. Automatic trimming and deburring lines are on exhibition. Grinding, shot blasting, and cleaning lines can be found here. Robots complete repeated loading and unloading tasks. The goal is unmanned blacklight factory operation. It reduces labor dependence and ensures stable quality. It lowers safety risks and sustains continuous production. This is the future of mainstream foundry manufacturing. European robot cells have smoother programming logic. Chinese lines are cost-efficient and easy to deploy. It fits factories suffering from labor shortages. It does not suit small shops with low hourly output. This section is underrated but extremely critical. Foundry sand is not merely disposable raw material. Modern green foundries rely heavily on sand recycling. Various professional sand regeneration devices are exhibited. It covers mechanical and thermal regeneration technologies. Dust removal integrated systems are fully equipped. Top machines achieve over 90% used sand recycling rate. It cuts raw sand purchase and waste disposal costs. Japanese systems feature compact structural design. Chinese systems have low investment and equal efficiency. It is a must-have for medium to large sand casting foundries. It is not suitable for foundries with minimal sand usage. Subscribe to catch more industrial equipment analysis. Melting equipment is the starting point of foundry production. Exhibits are not simple small melting pots. Energy-efficient induction furnaces are displayed here. Centralized melting and gas-fired holding units are available. Precision temperature control units ensure stable production. Modern foundries maintain steady molten metal conditions. Stable composition directly determines final casting quality. Advanced combustion technology reduces factory pollution. Waste heat recovery cuts overall energy consumption. It saves 15-25 energy versus traditional old models. European furnaces own ultra-precise temperature control. Japanese units have excellent long-term durability. Chinese machines provide balanced performance and low cost. It suits mid-sized mass-production industrial foundries. It excludes ultra-high precision small batch factories. Automated molding equipment effectively saves labor costs. Traditional molding relies heavily on skilled workers. Multiple automated molding lines are fully displayed here. It includes high-pressure molding and core shooting machines. Lost foam and shell molding lines are also presented. It guarantees high precision and repeated production. This equipment eliminates human error during production. It stabilizes tolerance and improves single-shift output. European lines pursue ultra-high production speed. Chinese lines own reliable long-term operating performance. It fits automotive and general engineering foundries. It is not for shops with frequent product replacements. This is the high-tech core equipment in Hall 3. Various cold and hot chamber die casting machines are shown. Large integrated casting units occupy major exhibition areas. These machines manufacture high-end industrial components. It covers automotive and new energy vehicle parts. Larger tonnage becomes a clear industry development trend. Stable injection and pressure control enhance part quality. Servo energy saving systems reduce long-term power costs. Chinese equipment narrows gaps with European brands. European brands lead in ultra-large tonnage equipment. Chinese machines dominate mid-range die casting markets. It is ideal for new energy vehicle component factories. It excludes tiny ultra-precision medical casting factories. We break down industrial tech for global procurement buyers. Cooperating exhibitors determine your purchasing quality. Exhibitors in these two halls are formal OEM manufacturers. They own independent R&D and production capabilities. Most manufacturers hold ISO and CE certifications. Many brands have complete overseas after-sales networks. Custom production line design services are available. They provide installation, training, and spare parts support. This exhibition differs from small trading expos. You trade directly with original equipment factories. Middlemen are completely eliminated in this process. Buyers gain transparent costs and reliable warranty support. These halls clearly show global foundry industry trends. First, automation will gradually replace manual labor. Global labor shortages push industrial upgrading. Manufacturers reduce manpower dependence actively. Second, energy efficiency becomes a core selling point. Buyers calculate long-term power and fuel consumption. Third, green foundry production becomes mandatory. Environmental performance belongs to core equipment value. Fourth, full-line solutions are more popular for buyers. Buyers prefer one single supplier for the whole production line. We have completed the breakdown of Hall 4 and 3. They are the core equipment zone of this expo. We covered practical tech and valuable sourcing takeaways. The industrial supply chain does not end with machines. Episode 4 will focus on Hall 1 and Hall 2. We will analyze casting materials and industrial consumables. These supplies directly control factory yield and costs. Keep following our professional industrial exhibition series. Subscribe and don't miss our next deep dive episode. We'll see you in episode 4.